Look at that.
So yeah. Hey Jack, it's here.
Okay.
Hold it.
Yeah.
Stand.
Look at that.
So yeah.
You're gonna zoom in and take information, so see that?
Yeah.
And then it'll just get sent directly to you.
Boiler 3 is a little hot.
Hello?
I'm on my way down there right now.
No, just hold on. I'm looking at the gauge right now, and everything looks fine.
Okay. Good night.
Hey.
Our number one priority is keeping employees safe. BostonDynamics Spot Robot helps us do just that. National Grid is an electric and gas utility here in the northeast of the United States. We supply electricity and gas to Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and New York.
So this facility is comprised of 3 departments: operations, maintenance, and engineering, and all of them work in tandem to do visual inspections, checks from our HMI systems, which is human-machine interface systems, and any other troubleshooting tools that we have on a routine basis. we were able to pilot Spot for 6 months, working with a commercial team and Boston Dynamics, and we were able to collect different kinds of results based on routine inspections with the maintenance team, operations team.
The Spot robot allows us to have a closer eye on things and a very repeatable view of our equipment. It has a pan, tilt, zoom optical camera that allows us to zoom in up to 30 times on any of our assets and gauges that we need to see. It also has a thermal IR camera, which produces thermal imagery of what it's seeing, allowing us to look for any hot spot or any kind of thermal anomalies in the equipment. The robot also has a LiDAR on it, which is useful for measuring around it, understanding where things are in relation to each other. We are also testing other payloads on the robot to be able to increase its communication range and to be able to allow us to control it from all parts of our facility.
From a high-level perspective, the Spot operates by turning on the battery and then using the controller to interface with it and collecting images using different features to zoom into it, zoom out of it, and also the IR camera feature. And once that's done, we need to retrieve those images. So it's a 3-step process: the startup, the actual troubleshooting of it, and then retrieving those captured images.
Spot fits into National Grid's goals because we are very much focused on our employee safety. Spot allows us to conduct our asset inspection tasks very repeatably and regularly while keeping our employees further back from the equipment. This allows us to collect better information about our equipment while also keeping our employees out of harm's way.
From Boston Dynamics, one of the chief roboticists on Stretch, which we are proud to be introducing to the world down here at Modex 2022 in Atlanta, Georgia. Stretch is a custom-built, purpose-built, case-handling, mobile manipulation robot for the warehousing and logistics space. Stretch is incredibly easy to operate. In order to unload a truck, all the operator has to do is deploy the dock plate, point Stretch at the truck, and hit go. The robot takes care of the rest by itself. Stretch is composed of a few main hardware subsystems. We have a base with a fantastic omnidirectional drive that lets it go anywhere in a warehousing facility that a pallet can go. Stretch also has a custom-built 7-degree of freedom lightweight arm that allows us to easily manipulate cases that are 50 pounds. At the end of that arm is a fantastic, highly sophisticated, both in hardware and software, suction gripper that we use to both precisely and robustly manipulate cases. Stretch also has a dedicated perception mast with a suite of cameras and active illuminators in it that allow us to perceive the world around the robot as well as the cases we're trying to manipulate. Stretch relies on state-of-the-art machine learning technology as well as traditional machine vision techniques to identify cases. Stretch requires no a priori knowledge of the cases it's going to manipulate. It doesn't need to know their size, their weight, or even what they look like. It can manipulate plain brown boxes just as easily as it can manipulate highly colorful boxes. One of the cores of Stretch's autonomous operation is the ability to automatically recover cases that get disturbed or dropped in the truck. Cases will get dropped, they get disturbed during transit, they get jostled around. Stretch doesn't require a person to recover from this. It will simply find the disturbed cases, automatically recover them, and proceed with the task. Stretch has a battery integrated into its base, custom designed for this application, that allows 16 hours or more of operation on a single charge and a complete recharge in less than 1 hour. Stretch is a highly capable robot, able to lift loads up to 50 pounds, boxes as small as 2.5 inches or up to 36 inches, and able to unload trailers at up to 800 cases per hour. We're really excited to be introducing Stretch to the public right now. If you want to learn more about this fantastic, best-in-class mobile manipulator, please go to BostonDynamics.com.